saying wow, wow, wow all the time. It's lovely to hear you saying wow, wow. Wow. It's lovely, isn't it, son? Oh, we have an aerial view from high up. It looks beautiful. Up. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's lovely just to know you are there to see it. Yeah. Oh, just going round and round and round. Little flames on the inside.
Making
big
coffee?
ones at the side. Yeah. That was a big one. Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's very elegant. Oh, very elegant. Oh, I'm so glad you are in a good place to be seeing it like that. Are you taking lots of photographs? Okay. Good. Oh, thank you, son. Oh, thank you, son. And I wish you everything you want for 2010, and I send you a big hug. Oh, wow. Oof. Wow. Oh. 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 Yeah. Now big gold. And the lights from the wheel. Yeah. I'm watching everything on BBC One. As you are seeing it, I'm seeing it here. Oh, it's beautiful. Very elegant. I'm so glad you went there. I am so glad, and I'm glad I'm with you on the telephone. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Like a bridge all around the eye. Oh, very nice. I can hear the explosions through your telephone. Oh, millions and millions and millions of little ones. Woo! Woo! Happy New Year! I give you a big hug and a big kiss. Oh, big hug, big kiss. Oh, look at the colors of the rainbow. Look at the colors of the rainbow. Oh, look at the colors of the finale, Sam. This is the finale. Oh boy. Oh, it looks spectacular.
You showing the BBC?
Whoa. Oh, it is one big ball of flame now. Oh, it is all on fire. Oh, it is all on fire. Oh. Woo. Hey, Happy New Year, Sam. Big hug, big hug, big hug, big hug. Wave, I can see you. Wave, they're showing everybody opposite the London Wheel. No, they have
That
stopped.
was incredible. The
Yay.
crowd here absolutely loved it. I'm sure at home you just couldn't believe your eyes either.
Thank you, Sam, and
Never
you
seen
too.
anything like that at all. You know what? Time to get your singing
Thank you,
voices
Sam. I
ready.
give you a big hug. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Is that you, David?
It is, yes. I'll take you back to the television sound now.
Who died? Who died? You said me.
That time while you were watching all that, Sam rang me from opposite, so I was listening to the explosions through the television set, and through Sam screaming with every firework
Oh, he was
explosion.
London, is he?
Yes, he's there in the crowd that you see there. One of them is Sam jumping up and down. So yes, he rang me and stayed connected all the way through so I could enjoy his screaming and shouting and enjoy it. So yes, he's one of the, he's been there since about 9 o'clock this evening, so he must be pleased.
Well, they were showing this morning in New York. There's actually smoke coming
Snow and the fireworks.
Not for me.
Well, that's all from us here at
You
the
know what we were
Embankment. On
talking
behalf of
about
myself, Miley
today?
Cross, and everyone
I'm
here at the
thinking
BBC,
here
I wish you
one
a
of those-
very happy New Year and a prosperous one at that.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, everybody. See you in 2010.